As people's living environments change, so do their air conditioning needs. Hitachi Cooling and Heating has always strived to lead the industry in meeting these needs. Through the evolution of air conditioning, we have developed advanced technologies and nurtured a spirit of craftsmanship that will carry on to the next generation. Our desire to bring joy to our customers is the driving force behind our technological development. Always upholding world-class product quality and incorporating new technologies, we will continue aiming higher in all we do. Our customers face diverse challenges. Keeping our eyes focused on them, we as a team will do everything we can to find the best solution for each and every one. We do more than just make air conditioners. By providing Hitachi Cooling and Heating products, we want to create a world where people live in harmony with themselves, their relatives, and the environment that surrounds them.